right, we have some Cantina tortilla chips. Go ahead and get a nice flat layer in our air fryer here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some ground beef that I cooked up. It's just got off the stove. Ooh, yeah, this is going right on top of those tortilla chips. And if you are a vegetarian, you can use beans. Black beans would be great in this. Or you can even use some Impossible meat, whatever you like. Or even chicken would be delicious with this. Okay, so I'm making 2 rounds of this, so I'm only gonna use half a pound of meat.
Ooh, I can see the steam coming off of it.
Yeah. Now I have some taco seasoning in here, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top, get that ground beef nice and flavorful, gets a little bit on that chip. Delicious.
And that'll cook into the meat too.
Exactly. This is all in our air fryer too. It's gonna be super easy. Now I have some Mexican 4 cheese, and you guys could probably tell what I'm making at this point. And if you can't, we'll keep watching. It's gonna be incredible. We're using a whole bag. This is an 8-ounce bag of Mexican shredded cheese. Go ahead and just make sure that cheese is spreaded out because we want it all over our air fryer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some pico. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be delicious. This is some pico just from the store, and it's gonna be incredible. It has the onions, it has the cilantro, it has the tomatoes. Ooh, most importantly, tomatoes, because that's the best part.
Ooh, it's so vibrant and it has such a good aroma.
Yes, it smells delicious. Now it's time to add a little bit of spice. I have some jalapenos here. This is optional. I know some of you guys are anti-jalapeno. Just skip it if you are. Ooh, perfect. Look at that beautiful color it adds. This is gonna be so good, you guys. And a reminder, it's all in our air fryer. This is one of my very first air fryer videos, so I hope you guys love it. I'm gonna bring plenty more. Now, personally, that wasn't enough onions in that pico, so I'm gonna add a little bit more right on top. Just the beautiful red onions. This is looking gorgeous.
I better have some first bite.
Oh, of course. And you can eat it right out of the air fryer too.
Oh, yeah.
I have some green onions that I chopped up. That's gonna go on there. And you can add whatever toppings you want. These are some air fryer nachos. And you can customize them to your liking. Do the chicken, do the beans, do the whatever cheese you want. Have it your way.
Wait, why do you have the shears?
Oh, because we're gonna cut up some cilantro. Because I love cilantro. You guys know I like cilantro, so I'm never not gonna add cilantro onto my Mexican dishes. Call me crazy. You guys can skip it. I'm never going to.
Cilantro is delicious.
Right? Okay. All right, let's close this baby up. Let's get in close, turn this on. We're gonna do air fryer 400. And this is gonna be super quick, like 5 minutes. And then we're gonna start. Ooh, and those nachos are gonna get nice and crispy. I love using the air fryer for nachos because you don't get soggy chips. I mean, who wants soggy chips when you're taking that beautiful bite of all of those flavors? This is gonna be so good. I recommend everyone to get an air fryer and make these nachos. But let's go ahead and wait for this baby to cook. And let's check them out. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Oh my, do you see that? That cheese perfectly melted. The best nachos in 5 minutes. Can you believe it?
Wow.
All right, before we dive in, of course, we're gonna add a dollop of Daisy because all good nachos have some sour cream. Ooh,
Ooh,
it's okay.
perfect.
The more the better, right, babe?
Yes, more the merrier, baby.
Let's go ahead and, oh, you hear how
Listen to that
crunchy
crunch.
those are?
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't lying, you guys. Those chips stay nice and crunchy. Get some of that sour cream topping.
To get the good stuff.
Yeah, okay. Moment of truth. All right, time to try it.
Is it good?
Best nachos in the world. You gotta try it.